The hard work of a few weeks ago pays off. The beautiful monstera was repotted into fresh soil, fertilized, and now has settled into a place of prominence in the front yard. New leaves are coming up, the pot is more stable, and it was a wise thing to do. And then 6 weeks ago, I divided a big mature elephant ears into many pieces. It was root-bound. I thought I might get 6 new plants, but instead I have about 16. Every single bit of it, after repotting, sent up new leaves. It just shows what a strong force it has to keep reproducing. I love tropicals in the garden, but we have winter-hardy plants that show the same exotic presence. A lamb's ears called Helene von Stein with bigger leaves than the common one, and the gorgeous bear's breeches, stately and tolerant of dry soil, with long-lasting flowers, and the miracle that is a sea holly called Miss Wilmot's Ghost. Enjoy the steamy plants of July. I'm Kathy Renwald for thespec.com.